Hi and welcome back to another video. You know the drill. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back, guys. I'm here with another thrift haul slash Amazon haul slash home goods haul. You know what to do. If this is something you want to see, keep watching. I said I would never come back to this store ever again. Okay, let me tell you why I said I would never go back. The first time I ever went to Ikea, I got lost in that store for over an hour trying to find my way out. For real, for real. That's why I said I would never go back. They probably have something that I need, so here we go. One of the best to ever do it. Well, that was a fail. Left empty-handed. Go to the next door. I really did like this rug. It is pulling all of the colors that I have going on in my office right now without overdoing it. Stay tuned to see whether or not this rug pops up in my office as a part of the design. I'm done with all of my thrifting. It's a couple days later. I just wanted to come and share with you a few things that I purchased on my thrift haul. Some of these are purchased from Amazon. Some are purchased from At Home. Some are purchased from the thrift store. So let's get started. The first item that I have here is this cute little gold elephant. I purchased this from At Home. It was $3.99. And of course, you all know I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. I'm wearing my shirt today. I just really absolutely love this little itty bitty. I used it to just sit on my bookcase. The next item that I have was purchased from Amazon, and it is another item that is going to be used to style my bookcase. The first one is this beautiful book of Obama. This book is so nice. The covering is so rich. I love the book cover on it. Normally I take the book covers off, but because of how this one looks, I'm definitely going to keep it. It is a pretty large book. It's probably about, I would say maybe 11-12 inches by maybe about 8 or 9 inches, and it's just a history in print, I guess, if you will, of Obama and his president. The next item I have is another book from my bookcase, and it is this Chanel book. Y'all, I really love Chanel. Chanel is probably one of my favorite designers. I love the simplicity of the Chanel design, and I just really wanted a book to go on my bookcase. This also was purchased from Amazon. I think I paid $30 for this book. It's about the same size, maybe an inch or two smaller as the Obama book, but yeah, just another book to style my bookcase. Now, I didn't intend on purchasing those two books because I thought I had what I needed from another company. Let me show y'all the reason why I actually had to purchase other books. I purchased what I thought were books from this company called American Retail. I paid $55 for what I thought was two books. And I should have known when I saw the price of $55 for two that something was going to be amiss. So this is what I received. Now, they were advertised as decorative books. Decorative books. This is what I got. Homemade cardboard covers, y'all. Got two of them. What is this? If they thought that anybody was gonna pay $55 for this, they're crazy. So of course I requested a refund, and these will be going. The item that I purchased is from Home Goods actually, and I purchased these for $19.99, and it's a panel of two 84-inch in length grommet style curtains. You probably remember in a previous video that it was in Home Goods and saw a pair of Ralph Lauren panels, but I didn't get them because they weren't grommet style. But I saw these in Home Goods. Love them, and for the price of $19.99, I thought it was a great buy. This color is going to go perfectly in my office, so my husband will be hanging those as soon as my new blinds are installed. Items that I have are all purchased from the thrift. First one is this t-shirt. It's this graphic t-shirt. It's just a Star Wars t-shirt, and I love this because number one, it's graphic. I can throw it on with a pair of leggings and a pair of tennis shoes, or I can dress it up and throw on a blazer with a pair of distressed jeans and a pair of heels. But this was marked $1.99, and on the day that I bought it, everything in the store except for the green sticker was 50% off. So price tag of $1.99, I paid $1. The next item that I have is this another graphic tee that I got from the thrift store. It says cream. Christ rules everything around me. I love this shirt. And those white, I know what that is. This is from looks like residue from the OxyClean. I put OxyClean powder in all of my loads of laundry, and I guess I didn't consider the black, or maybe I just put too much, but yeah, that's what that is. Anyway, style it up with a pair of jeans or a skirt and heels and a blazer, or I could just style it down with a pair of jeans and a pair of tennis shoes. But love the cream acronym, and I love it spelled out at the bottom. The next item that I purchased, Kate Spade, and this is called the Stevie Diaper Bag. I actually, when I saw it first, I thought it was a travel bag, but when I researched it, I found out that it was a diaper bag. It's branded on the bottom. It has the changing pad inside that is also branded with Kate Spade. But I am going to put this in my Poshmark closet for sale, because these actually can sell for, you know, upwards of $100, and I paid $7, no lie, $7 for this bag. As soon as I came home, I immediately put it in the wash with my OxyClean powder. I also sprayed it down with some disinfectant, and I cleaned it. I washed it in Lysol makes this antibacterial or disinfecting detergent. So yeah, this got a good cleaning. As a matter of fact, I ran it through the wash twice. But this is going on my Poshmark, in my Poshmark closet for sale. The next item that I have is this Calvin Klein blazer. I got this from the thrift store also on the day that I got those two shirts. And this is a simple single breasted blazer. And I got this from the thrift store. It was marked $9.99, I think. And it was a red tag. So I paid $5 for this blazer. I really love it. Next items that I have are all items that were purchased on New Year's Day via some of the retailers that were having New Year's Day sales. So the first item that I purchased from Dillard's is this Diaper Bag. And it's just a handheld, little small, little cute. I paid $30. It comes with the, you know, dust bag, as most purses do. It has a shoulder strap if you wanted to carry it for a shoulder strap in lieu of a handbag. Orange is kind of one of those neutral colors that you can really pair it up with anything and it'll go really. The second item that I purchased from Dillard's, it's a pair of shoes, and it's by the brand Preston and York. And I am a heels girl normally, but I do like a good pair of loafers. I like them because it has the gold detail on, and I just thought these would really be cute with a pair of what do you call those pants? They're not, what do you call those pants? Whatever they're called, they're not all the way, they're ankle pants or whatever. They're we used to call them high waters back in the day, but now they're in style. But yeah, I personally think every woman should have a pair of loafers in their wardrobe. You can't wear heels all the time, and sometimes you just want to slip on a pair of shoes and be comfortable but still look cute. And to me, loafers serves that purpose. The next item that I purchased was also from Dillard's. This is a dress, y'all. I tried this dress on, and it is by the brand Eliza J. And I purchased it from Dillard's, and it is a asymmetrical. This part wraps around your arm, and this part goes back, and it's kind of like a halter with a sidearm strap. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere on the model so you can see what this looks like, but this is a really cute dress. And I tried this on with a pair of silver strap-up heels. So pretty. I cannot wait to wear it. The last and final item that I purchased from my New Year's Day sale came from Victoria's Secret, and it's just a simple legging and shirt set, and it's their logo brand pink. It's just black, and I paired it with a pink sweatshirt the asymmetrical that hangs off the shoulder. I'll probably wear a white tank under this or my, my bra strap. I think I said this was the last item. I lied. I did get one more item from Victoria's Secret. It is this hooded dress, and I tried this on, and I'm not going to be able to get away with this as a dress. So I probably will stick some leggings on and a pair of maybe Jordans or other sneakers with it. And I like it because it was tie-dye. I mean, I could get away with it as a dress if, but I'm a mom. I'm about to be 46. I ain't got no business walking around out with something like this on, because if I bend over, everybody gonna see my sunshine. And I think this one was $35, maybe $40. Thank you all so much for watching. Please, if you like this video and want to see more like it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.